Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook security preferences. So first, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. The first security preference that you may like is the Touch ID and password. Click on it. So from here, you can set or you can change your login password. Click on Change. Fill in your current password, new password, repeat it, and add a hint. Click on Change password. The second thing that you can edit or change is the Touch ID fingerprints that you can add to make your login a little bit secure. And don't forget to check this box next to use Touch ID to unlock your Mac if you want to. You can also use Touch ID for Apple Pay, for purchases in iTunes Store, App Store, etc. and for autofilling password and fast user switching. Now, after finishing with Touch ID and password, you can jump to privacy and security where you can set where you can allow applications and services to determine your location. For example, if you don't want Google Chrome to know about your location, disable this option like this. Same thing for the rest of services, or you can disable it for all from here. You can also open each service, for example, accessibility, and you can allow or disallow the applications below to control your computer, for example. Let's go with for example, Passkeys. You can also allow the applications below to see which website and applications you have saved passkeys for. And you can check, enable or disable from the right. You can also edit the sensitive content warning, the Apple advertising, view ad targeting information, personalized ads. And you can, for this below security, you can allow applications from only App Store or from App Store and known developers. You can also allow accessories to connect every time, ask for new categories, or automatically when locked. And here, if you click on Firewall secures the data on your disk by encrypting its content automatically. Click on Turn On to encrypt your data. And you can also lockdown mode, turn on this extreme protection if you believe you're being targeted in a cyber attack. Apps, websites, and feature functionality will be limited, and some experiences may have be completely unavailable. And this is how to change your MacBook security preferences. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.